To avoid standless in AUT, follow these steps. So understanding standless. Number one, in the game, being standless, what does it mean? It usually means not having a stand equipped. Familiarize yourself with how the stand works and their abilities. Number two, remove your stand. If you currently have a stand, go to your character menu and look up the option to equip or remove it. This is going to leave you standless. Okay. Number three, level up your character. Focus on leveling up your character without relying on a stand. Complete quests and defeat enemies to gain experience. All right. Number four, collect items. Gather items and resources that can help you enhance your character's abilities even without a stand. Okay. Number five, utilize skills. Learn how to maximize your character's skills and abilities. Practice using these effectively in battles. Number six, engage with your community. Connect with other players who are also trying to go standless. They can offer tips and strategies. Okay? Number seven, experiment. Try different play styles. See what best works for you while standless. This can help you find your strengths, okay? Now, by following these steps, you can successfully become standless in AUT and enjoy a unique gaming experience. Jesus is the Lord. Pray to Him, no one else. He's the top. Heaven is His house. Ciao.